Hi, I'm Chris. This is my cooking channel. I hope you like what I put out because I have a passion for cooking and I hope you like it. So stay tuned for some videos and we're going to get started. So welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make Rice Krispie treats, but first let's wash our hands. So I'm going to read off the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 20 cups mini marshmallows, 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and 12 cups of Rice Krispies. Alright, so now we're going to heat up our ingredients in this saucepan on low heat. We're going to have to do the butter and marshmallows. So I'm going to turn off the heat and we're going to add the Rice Krispies. Now we're going to stir it up. Alright, now we're going to add the other Rice Krispies. put it on the pan. Alright, just come on. Let's do this. So it's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna cut the Rice Krispie treat and we're gonna see how it is. Look at that. So if you like this Rice Krispie recipe, like it, subscribe, share. And if you have any suggestions, leave a comment and tell us how you like the Rice Krispie treats. Thanks, and stay tuned.